Hello, this is MK Uswa, your Pidgin English coach, and we are live with a new Pidgin English phrase. How you doing? How body? How that side? I hope say you there well. Okay, so today we're talking about a new phrase. You know Sabi body, which means you are not smart. So if you're talking to somebody and you want to tell the person that you are not smart, you didn't act smart. Now you can say you know Sabi body. You know Sabi body at all. I mean, you didn't know yourself or you didn't know what to do. It can be used as an insult. It can use as a cause phrase. You know Sabi body at all, meaning you don't know yourself or you are not smart at all. So that is it. Very simple. And Pidgin English is very easy to learn. So if you want to learn more Pidgin English words, Pidgin English phrases, go to pidginenglishschool.com.ng where you can have the Kindle book, you can get the audio training, and if you want to get a one-on-one training, maybe coaching on how to speak Pidgin, give me a comment and I'll be able to talk to you. So no wahala, learn if you get any question we will make a handle for you, just post them for the comments. I go reply. You understand now? Just post them. TBC again for another episode. Bye bye. No find trouble. No go find trouble there. Bye bye.